Welcome to Balangan beach in Uluwatu, Bali, guys. Check this out. Pretty cool vibes here. Still local and still tourist places. As you see, beautiful warungs for local vibe and still some tourists on the beach around. However, it's not so busy. This beach is very popular through surfers and so many expats also living here who prefer to run away from Canggu and moving here because, well, not everyone likes Canggu. So here we go. Today we're gonna enjoy a little bit in Balangan and looks pretty cool. So basically this beach is great for surfing, at least what I heard from people who surf. I'm not surfing personally, but few people like Alan and few others surf here, used to surf, so you can let me know, but I'm pretty sure it's great for surfers because everything here is regarding to surfing and I saw already few surfers around. Also great for watching sunset. Sunset is actually just there, gonna be later, and you can having a drink in these bars up front. I mean, these bars are actually pretty cool. When they are busy, currently they are still very quiet, waiting for better times. But also the beach have a yellow sand, which is also pretty nice. Now it's middle low tide, so you can enjoy the beach. And also one very interesting fact, on the other side of the beach there is like a huge cliff where is Sunset Point, where you don't need to even go down to the beach. You can just drive there your motorbike, your car, and watching sunset. This calls also Balangan Sunset Point, and this is Balangan Beach, guys. All of these places is in Uluwatu, South Peninsula. When you're watching on the map, there is like a little, little peninsula from the south, from the airport. This is the area, and this area have the best beaches in full entire Bali, guys. So if you are looking for the best beaches in Bali, definitely Uluwatu is the best. Also, guys, Uluwatu area surrounds all peninsula, is very popular through the beautiful landscapes and beautiful sunsets, but also so many nice 5-star hotels, but also so many private villas and surf guest houses, general guest houses, or you could even stay with the local family in Uluwatu or rent yourself villa. So Uluwatu is really actually nice place. This was one of my favorite places in Bali so far, at least few years ago. Now I'm a little bit less coming to Uluwatu for many reasons, but still whenever I come here I really enjoy it. And well, at the moment I can see it's very quiet on Balangan beach, and honestly I don't even remember when I was here last time it was as quiet as it's now. However, the improvement is as the warungs are open, and I think I'm gonna go having a radar if they have it, and maybe I will fly drone a little bit and enjoy my time watching the sunset, guys. I just wanted to let you know everything what I know about this place. If you are surfing and you are just beginner, well, I think Kuta actually is better for you and maybe Canggu, but if you already feel more comfortable and you are a little bit more pro, definitely Uluwatu, and everyone who's surfing in Bali will confirm that fact, as Uluwatu is great for surfing. There is the cliff, what I told you, and on the other side of the beach you can even find some sandbeds and you could chill, enjoy. However, this is only one guy. Hello. Only one guy who is waiting here, and there was always, everywhere was so many umbrellas and sandbeds, but currently situation on the beach is how it is. The vibe on the beach right now here is like back to 1980s, 1990s. I guess, well, I didn't even born at that time, but from the stories what many of you told me, Uluwatu was exactly like this. Just few people, one or two warungs, and that's it. So pretty like that.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run, and the sun would always shine. When we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry.
It's still that quiet as the local vendors, they going home before even sunset time. So, yo, local kids are happy, but yeah, all of these local vendors, they going home. It's still half hour to the sunset, but there is no people coming, so they decide probably gonna go home. Still quite hard to get a radler. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed a little bit of my cinematography today. Also interesting fact, when I flew, I just realized as the beach just behind other side, there is the Dreamland beach in the Pechatu, and also this huge hotel, empty hotel with the golf course. This is Jumeirah Hotel. They start building and they finish this just during the current situation, so it's brand new. They never opened it officially, and it's huge. I always wanted to go inside, never go inside, but I flew over and it's really, really huge, guys. Just interesting fact. So it's very close to the Dreamland, but it's completely different road. Meanwhile, I will go home, take a rest a little bit. Still don't feeling very well. I don't know actually why. I got so much overheated last week and still feeling hot, by the way. So anyway, I just wanted to show you something nice today. I hope so you enjoyed the beach. You know where to surf, potentially where to come, having a beer. I hope so when you're gonna come, there will be already much busier than is today. And as always, I will see you tomorrow on next one. Thank you.